Hello children. So let us solve a problem based on universal law of motion. Okay. So taking an example, we are gonna solve the question. Okay. So before solving that, we need to know that the law is universal to the sense that it is applicable to all the bodies. Okay. Universal law of motion, it is applied to all the bodies, whether it may be big or small. Anything it may be, it doesn't depend, but it applies its universal law of gravitational. So to know more about, we need to take universe square, saying that f is universe proportional to the square of distance. Means, for example, that if d gets bigger, the factor of 6, so it becomes 6, means the square means it will be 1 by 36 times smaller. Okay. So now let us solve this question. This is an example that I am taking here. The mass of Earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Okay. So this is the mass of an Earth, and that of Moon is 7.4 into 10 to the power of 22 per kg. If the distance between the Earth and the Moon is 3.8410 to the power of 5 kilometer, calculate the force exerted by the Earth on the Moon. So G is equals to 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square kg square. Children, here we are applying the universal law of gravitational formula. Okay. So now let us solve this. So we know that the mass of the Earth, that is, we'll take it as capital M, that is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Okay. So similarly, the mass of the Moon also we need to take. It is given that mass of the Moon, so let us take it with small m, that is equals to 7.4 into 10 to the power of 22 per kg. So the mass of the Earth is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg, and the mass of the Moon is 7.4 into 10 to the power of 22 kg. So I have written with the given data. The distance between the Earth and the Moon. So we need to see the distance between Earth and Moon. So it is given that the distance between Earth and the Moon. Okay. So the distance between Earth and Moon from the given data that we know is D is equals to 3.8410 to the power of 5 kilometer, isn't it? This is the given data. So we need to convert it into meters. So to convert it into meters, we are going to take it as 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5, taking it as similar, into, we are converting into meters, so it is 1000 meters. So to modify this, 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 as well as 3 here, so it will be 10 to the power of 8 meters. So this is the distance between Earth and the Moon by the given data. So as well here it is given also, that is G is given, that is G is equals to 6.7 into 10 to the power of 11 Newton meter square kg square, isn't it? So this is the given data of the question. Now let us prove. So force exerted by Earth on the Moon is from the universal law of gravitational, that is F is equals to G mass into mass divided by d square. So we'll apply the numerical given data, that is 6.7 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square into 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg into 7.4 into 10 to the power of 22 kg. So this is the values divided by d square, that is 3.84 into 10 to the power of 8 meters square. Okay, so this is the given data we have applied through the formula. Okay, where by calculating this we'll get the answer 2.01 into 10 to the power of 20 newtons. Okay children, so this is the final answer that we have got. So thus the force exerted by earth on moon is 2.01 into 10 to the power of 20. So this is the given data applying with the formula and divided by d square. So by calculating this we are going to get the answer 2.01 into 10 to the power of 20 newtons. That is, force exerted by earth on the moon is 2.01 into 10 to the power of 20 newtons. This is how children we are going to solve similar problems. Okay, thank you so much.